exploring the phrases unity and love, an English language journey. Hello everyone, welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're diving into two beautiful and powerful words, unity and love. These phrases are not just words, but they carry deep meanings and are used in various contexts. Let's explore them together. Unity refers to the state of being united or joined as a whole. It's about coming together for a common purpose or action. In this section, we'll look at different examples of how unity is used in sentences and its significance in various contexts. Example sentences: the community showed great unity in the face of adversity. Unity is strength. When there is teamwork and collaboration, wonderful things can be achieved. Discussion. Here, we'll talk about situations where unity is important, like in communities, teams, and nations. Love is a complex and multifaceted emotion. It's often associated with affection, care, and deep attachment. In this section, we'll explore the different ways love is expressed and understood. Example sentences: her love for her family was evident in all her actions. Love can overcome any obstacle. Discussion. We'll discuss different types of love, such as familial love, romantic love, and platonic love, and how they are expressed differently. Here, we'll explore how unity and love often go hand in hand. We'll look at examples where the presence of one leads to the strengthening of the other. Key points. Unity often breeds in an environment filled with love and respect. Love can be a driving force behind achieving unity in a group or community. Thank you for joining us in exploring the meanings and contexts of unity and love. Remember, these words are not just vocabulary but are powerful concepts that can shape societies and relationships. We hope this video has been insightful and helpful in your English language journey. Until next time, keep learning and stay united in love.